What is up, my FX Makeup family? Welcome back to this Halloween makeup tutorial. In this Halloween makeup tutorial, we're going to be going over this nightmare-inspired creature. So when you think of nightmares, you think of bad nightmares, monsters in your head, monsters in the closet, monsters under your bed. So please give this video a big like, hit subscribe if you have not already, and leave a comment down below. So jumping right into this makeup tutorial, you want to take a life cast or a mannequin head, and you want to start sculpting with cotton and liquid latex. If you're allergic to liquid latex, please use gelatin. But I will link down a video of how to sculpt with cotton and latex down below, so go check that video out. Just make sure you saturate the cotton really good. So now, I'm going to take some liquid latex and some white acrylic paint, and we're going to make a sticky paint. I'm going to cover this whole entire prosthetic with this latex acrylic paint that I made by just mixing latex and acrylic paint together. Just go ham and lay this base layer of foundation down, because our monster is going to be white, so that's all we're going to use for his foundation is straight white. Now I'm going to take a red acrylic paint and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of liquid latex. We're going to paint the whole inside of this mouth and lips like this red meaty shade, and we're also going to go with a little bit of brown, which I do not show, and go into cracks and crevices. Now taking a blood from Smooth On, it's called the Ultimate Blood Kit. We're going to cover this whole mouth and lips in this blood, and when it dries down, it dries, but it looks like it's still wet. So I really like this blood. So it's Smooth On Ultimate Blood Kit. And we're going to take this blood around the eyes like we did with the acrylic paint. So both eyes, the mouth, and the lips. And we're going to drag it down like it's been running just a little bit. But like I said, I like this red blood from Smooth On because when it dries, it still looks shiny. So it still looks wet, even though it's not. So taking some Model Magic from Crayola, we're going to sculpt out some teeth. Really easy to sculpt, and it's air drying clay and it feels like foam. So I just sculpted out some teeth and I glued them in with liquid latex and cotton. And I painted the teeth with some yellow, orangey, brown acrylic paint. So yeah, sorry I did not show this. It's just really easy, really simple to do, so I just didn't do it. But you can also go over this teeth with some blood. Alright, so let's put this hair out of the way and in a little bun type thingy, or a ponytail, whatever you want to do. Now taking our prosthetic, some liquid latex. If you're allergic to liquid latex and you use gelatin or silicone, please use Pros-Aide to glue down your prosthetic. But I'm using liquid latex because it works fine for me, and plus I'm not wearing this prosthetic for a long time. But if you are wearing this prosthetic for a long time, please use Pros-Aide. Put the Pros-Aide or liquid latex inside the prosthetic all the way around and also on your skin. So that it's double bondage so it stays on your skin a really long time. Make sure you block out any hair on your face or your actual hair on your head, because you don't want to get liquid latex or Pros-Aide in it. So taking some different cloths and a coat that I'm going to be wearing, and just set them to the side. So taking your prosthetic after it has been tacky, you want to stick it on your face and hold it there for a few seconds or a minute or so until it sticks to your face. You can rock back and forth, you can dance, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm just right here rocking, trying to like kill some time. Alright, so I'm putting my coat on, and I struggled a little bit to get it zipped up, but other than that, yeah. You can use whatever costume you want to use. I'm just using a black coat. Now taking a little cloth, we're going to fold it in half. I'm struggling here again. And we're going to stick it and wrap it around our head. Since you're wrapping this around your head, you don't have to really paint your face, but you can paint your face if you want to. But this pretty much covers it up. So use any cloth you want to. This is actually Halloween curtains. I'm using them in the black shade and like the gray shade. We're just going to wrap it around our head and around our neck. And you can use as many of these as you want to. So taking the gray one now, I'm going to wrap this around my head and my neck also. Just gives us more of a spooky look. And I like wearing these as scarves also. I don't know, I just like the grungy look. So I wear them as scarves. Fun fact. Alright, so time to add some more blood. So we're going to take some KY jelly blood. So I got KY jelly and I mixed it to look like blood, colored it and everything. And it's a glossy, wet blood. So it really is a sex lube blood. We're going to put this all over the inside, our eyes, and our teeth to give them that wet looking, gory, nasty look. Alright, so this is the final look. So thank y'all guys so much for watching. Hope y'all guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please hit subscribe and leave a comment down below. Other than that, I'll see y'all guys in my next makeup tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. Alright, so, bye everyone.